morning, sir. I have a question to ask, and my question is spiritual powers transferable?
Yeah, thank you for that question. The question whether spiritual power can be transferred. The truth of the matter is that spiritual power can never be transferred in that manner. Yes, somebody can give you the skills, share knowledge with you, share wisdom with you. Yes, but the spiritual power, the spark, you cannot share it with person. Just like that. You earn it. Yes. If not, somebody can actually seniano whoever and become matured overnight. It's not true. Somebody can share experiences and the gift, share some of those things with you. But this is spark, the real spiritual power. You earn it by getting matured. When you are maturing spiritually, you are coming close, you are activating. You are activating your spiritual power. Nobody can solely activate your spiritual powers without your consent. Yes. So spiritual powers is earned because you worked for it. And the spirit now decide to use you. But if any spiritualist lie to you and tell you that he or she want to transfer his or her own power to your own body by mere sleeping with you, the person is lying. It's never done anywhere. What you can share with anybody is what you have. Like what you share, the energy. Some people might say, let's have sex with you that will give you power. No. What you interchange is the radiation and vibration. And that is energy. That is not power. If you know what is power is, you know that power is different from energies and radiation. Power is something bigger. Power is spirit. All spirit, the spirit now built you. So one spiritual mana, mother gave with nyagi. Mabrona imerudo with your spirit. Spirit and agrees to work with you. Spirit he get a bribe. So know it today that what somebody can share with you or transfer with you is energy, vibrations. Whether it's negative or positive, that is their cup of tea. Manobo na onye asing na ọ ga-enye gị the spiritual power. Onye enwere ike imewu ya. Maka na ọ dị eme exist, ọ bụrụ mmadụ agha emewu ya. Ọ ime ị na-eto na mmụọ. You become friends with ụmụ mmụọ. On your own, you merit it. We are spirits. And the primary purpose where we are sent on earth here is to get matured and become better spirits and mature spirits. So you only activate your inner self, that is the spirit. It's a gradual thing. It's not what somebody can just give you at the break of roses. No, you earn it. When you prepare yourself to be able to withstand the power, those spiritual powers, they will flow into you. Not anybody say, okay, you want to give you spirit by sleeping with you or by hypnotizing you or by... No, it's not that way. So don't allow anybody to deceive you. I remember one story, somebody told me the other day. A spiritualist was telling the person after was like doing exorcism, like deliverance to the person. Like, because the person believed that name was more Georgia. So this spiritualist now took advantage of her, telling her that for this particular problem to end permanently, that he, the spiritualist, will lie with her. And it happens to be lies because it can never happen. You can only deceive a novice. I'm a spiritualist. So if anybody tells you that he want to help you spiritually by sleeping with you, the person is a liar. Such a thing can never happen. If you want to go spiritual, create time for your spiritual meditation, create time for your alignment. It's a gradual thing. It's not what you just one day. No. During their mentorship, you'll be groomed by telling you one or two what you must avoid, what you must do, how to create time for your meditation, spiritual exercise. By so doing, you activate that inner you. So, don't allow anybody to fool you. Thank you.